Good morning, everybody. My name is 𝗏𝗏𝗁𝗏, the 𝗏𝗶𝗵 stamper, and welcome back to another Coffee and a Card with Barb. I have a fun autumn thank you card for you today using some really pretty paper and one of my favorite new stamp sets called Gathering Moments. And I can't wait to share this card with you. Okay, so this is the stamp set we're using. You move this over. And you know what, guys? It's going to be a little hard to see the early espresso cardstock, half a sheet. And then I am going to use white for the inside. But before I do that, someone mentioned to me a little while back that I need to be stamping the inside of my card. So I'm going to use the acorn and early espresso ink. I'm only using one ink pad today. This is a super duper simple card. Let's just add a few more in there. Now, this is going to be an interesting card design. The first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to glue this absolutely gorgeous Gathering Together specialty paper. Can you see all the champagne foiling? Isn't that absolutely gorgeous paper? Oh, here's the other side in basic beige. So I am going to glue this onto the early espresso mat. Don't forget that I have a complete tutorial for you. Comment #Coffee20 and you will get the tutorial unless you're on YouTube, and then the link is below. Okay, so that part's done. I moved that over. And then, guys, what I did is I took the 3x4 piece of the designer paper and I just put it on my trimmer and cut from the upper left to the lower right, which gave me 2 diagonals. This is the specialty side. Isn't that gorgeous? I hate covering it up, but I really wanted this plaid. And so what I'm going to do is I am going to add small dots of glue, which I cannot tell if there's on there. We'll just assume it's on there. And then I am going to adhere this to the lower. Oh gosh, I just got glue everywhere. Hold on. Obviously, I had done a good job putting glue on here. Look at the there. Baby wipes to the rescue. And just kind of do that. Okay. And then let me put my rectangle on. All right. Easy on the glue here. This is a brand new adhesive, and it is coming out fast. All right. So let's do this. That looks like a lot of space. Oh my gosh, I did it again, you guys. All right. We're going to have wet cardstock for a while till it all dries. Now, when you glue this down, friends, make sure that you do it the side up that you want, especially if you do this card design with paper that's directional. This paper really isn't so directional. Isn't that pretty? I just love this paper. Okay. Now, because this is such a simple card, I do have a little trick for you today. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to stamp the many thanks from the stamp set. And this is a 1-inch strip of cardstock. Okay. Let me remove this down since now I can't see the white on white. Time to get glasses, Barb. And I'm just going to stamp that down. Okay. Again, early espresso ink. I'm only using one ink pad. It's a very, very simple card. And then I'm bringing in the modern, look how dirty that is. Oh my gosh. Modern oval punch. Oh my goodness. And I don't want it this big. So what I'm going to do is I've got a 1-inch strip of cardstock. I need to center this in the middle. All right, there we go. And I gave myself a lot of room. So you don't have to have that long, but I wanted to give myself a lot of room on that. And then I'm just going to take Stampin' Dimensionals. I'm using like the last of the last. Put this on here. I hope you all use your every last inch of your Stampin' Dimensionals because they still work. I get my Take Your Pick tool. I've got full liners from Stampin' Dimensionals all over my desk right now. All right. And I'm just going to put that on here. And there we have our finished card. I could have put baker's twine. I could have put some embellishments, but my goal was to make this for a guy. So I just let the paper do the talking, which is why I don't have any other embellishments on here. But you absolutely could. You could put ribbon, you could put some gems, you could do anything you wanted on here. Okay, let me switch my camera over. Okay, my friends, I'll see you for a Step It Up Stamping video on Sunday. Thanks so much for joining me, friends. Talk to you later. Bye.